Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go through the US Travel Advisory and we're going to look at the locations that the US government says US citizens are not to travel to. So on January 23rd, the US government issued an updated travel advisory to Jamaica. They put Jamaica at level 3, which means you must reconsider travel. Level 1 is the best and level 4 is the worst. Jamaica is at a level 3 which says reconsider travel. So this is what the advisory says. Reconsider travel to Jamaica due to crime and medical services. U.S. government personnel under Chief of Mission Security Responsibility are prohibited from traveling to many areas due to increased risk. And then it goes on about country summary. Violent crimes such as home invasions, armed robberies, sexual assaults, and homicides are common. Sexual assaults occur frequently, including at all-inclusive resorts. And then they have a list of areas that you are prohibited or they recommend you don't travel to. Then it says U.S. government personnel under COM security responsibility are prohibited from traveling to the following areas of Jamaica due to crime. So they have it broken down by parish now. So they said Saint Anne Parish. Do not travel to Steertown and the Buckfield neighborhood near Ocherios. St. Catherine Parish. Do not travel, and then there is Spanish Town, Central Village, areas within Portmore, including Nagahead, Newland, Old Brayton, Portmore Lane, Gregory Park, and Waterford. And then all of the parish of Clarendon do not travel. The entire parish. They say all of Clarendon Parish except passing through Clarendon Parish using the T1 and A2 highways. I'm assuming those are the toll roads and the regular main road. St. Elizabeth Parish. Do not travel to Vineyard neighborhood near Alligator Pond. Then they have Hanover Parish and they say do not travel to Logwood and Orange Bay. Then St. James Parish, Montego Bay, do not travel. All of Montego Bay on the inland side of the A1 highway and the Queens Drive from Sansan to Harmony Beach Park. And then Kingston and St. Andrew Parish, do not travel to Cassava Peace, downtown Kingston, defined as between Mountain View Avenue and Hagley Park Road, and south of Halfway Tree and Old Hope Road. Downtown Kingston includes Arnett Gardens, Cockburn Gardens, Denham Town, Olympic Gardens, Seaview Gardens, Trenchtown, and Tivoli Gardens. And then they have do not travel to Haney Park, Grantspen, Standpipe, Swallowfield, Elliston Flats, Augustown. And then for Manchester Parish, do not travel to Greenvale, Grey Ground, Red Ground, and Vineyard neighborhoods of Mandeville. St. Thomas Parish, do not travel Black Lane neighborhood in Seaforth, Grants Pen, Church Corner neighborhood near Yalos, Town of Yalos except when driving through on the main highway. Trelawney Parish, they say do not travel to Clarkstown. Westmoreland Parish, do not travel. Russia Community in Savlamar, Morgan Bay, Kings Bay, the Whitehall, Betheltown, and Redground neighborhood of Negril. If you decide to travel to the above listed do not travel areas, please visit our website for travel to high risk areas. Alright, so that is the list of areas they say do not travel. Well, the good thing is Trelawney is not on the list, and they didn't have Portland on the list, but quite a few places. So guys, we are going to make videos of every one of these neighborhoods over the next coming weeks so that you can see for yourself what these neighborhoods look like. We'll give you a driving tour. Now, guys, what do you think of this travel advisory? Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.